Hi guys, just an update for my assassin snail. So big. Kapong ko hapon, no? So I have one big assassin snail here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's another one there. Another one there, 14. So I think I have more or less 20 assassin snails here. I've got them last September. I bought 2 small assassin snails way back. And I have researched about these assassin snails. And according to Google, they are hard to multiply, and they only lay once a year. But here we go, we have 20 assassin snails at the moment, and my snail infestation was already gone. Small, almost zero. No more blood snails, just some empty shells. And they are so beautiful. I actually don't really like snails, but these guys are an exemption. They're so cute and adorable. I just want, and I like watching them move. They are so active. Sometimes they just do things like this. They just sleep, burrow themselves in the sand. And now my problem is I don't have anything to feed them. So I'm gonna go out tomorrow to look for some snails. Oh, I named the biggest one as Burrow. Hi Burrow. I think he's almost an inch. Oh, and there he goes, burrowing himself in the sand. So next week I'm gonna upload another video, and let's see if they multiply even more.